Hi. It's about a tiny piece of high-tech software now. And maybe you have watched Formula One Grand Prix in Mexico last week. And you can imagine there was a crash only after 5 seconds. And it was very easy to see on TV. But now imagine you are in the racetrack or on the racetrack on the band and want to watch this. And the car passes by just every 2 minutes. And you have spent 150 euros and you don't see anything. Why? The problem at the moment is, and that's the problem we address, current video transmission is either able to do real-time transmission or many-to-many. We can do both. Just go back to the Formula One race. We are able to take the picture out of any race car and transmit it to the spectator on, in the stadium or on the racetrack in real time to 10,000 simultaneously. That's the new thing. Imagine something totally different. You're driving on the countryside behind the truck and you want to overtake, but you don't know, can I or can I not? What's the situation? Now imagine our technology is able to bring you exactly the view of the truck in front of you into your car. And you can see, okay, it might be very dangerous now to overtake because there's someone coming from the other direction. Totally different use case. Imagine Mr. Trump is coming to this wonderful city of London. Snipers all over the roofs. All of them are connected to a command central and they have the view and want to decide to shoot or not. Now imagine this video is delayed by just 1 second. A deadly decision. Shoot, shoot not, shoot. Well, in the case of Mr. Trump, we could have a different opinion on shoot or not. But generally spoken, real-time transmission is essential. We have 3 business areas where we are active in. One is sports and events, a huge market, including sports live betting. We have connected car, that's why we are here, because there is a lot of data that have to be transmitted between the cars and the infrastructure in real time, many-to-many. And we have public safety, because this is a huge market as well. And as you see the world at the moment, there's a lot of things happening. In the UK, there's an own LTE infrastructure built just for the security forces. What is our product? Our product is called the Edge Video Orchestrator, and it's the tiny little software that is able to orchestrate the streams from the right senders to the right receivers in real time. And it sits in the center of an infrastructure that is fed by a lot of cameras. Might it be traditional TV cameras, might it be a smartphone, and distributed to many receivers. And we do it in real time, we do it many-to-many, we do it in a high quality, which means HD today. And of course, it's much more affordable than any other solution existing this far. What is our business model? Classical software licensing. We earn money with maintenance fees, we do updates and upgrades. We just have a very slim organization of 16 people at the moment. Why? Because in every field we are active, there are 4 or 5 major players globally, and those are or on the way to become our partners. So we don't need a huge sales organization, we just need a couple of key account managers to, for example, in the case of venues, go to the Ciscos, IBMs and Nokias, and they are happy to resell our product because it is helping them to sell their hardware easier. Our strategy is at the moment based on 3 key hypotheses. We have a technology that is unique. That's very simple. The end user behavior will change even more in the direction of video streaming due to 5G. And our technology is ready for 5G, and we are part of a lot of consortiums defining the 5G standards. And of course, there will be a regulative push. Public safety is a huge and major issue at the moment, and we are sure that there will more and more cities like London where CCTV is all over, and not only CCTV, but the body cams and other mobile cameras will be part of this as well. If you look at the next 24 months, we have a very significant revenue now out of the sports and events, and we are on the way to scale up because we need to internationalize. 90% of our business now is outside of Europe. It's in Asia and it's in North America. So we need an additional sales team to roll out. And then we step into the public safety area where we, of course, already have a proof of concept. And we know that our solution is something that is demanded, but we need to prepare the market. And then have a huge rollout in the UK, in the US, and then the next step, of course, is connected car. If you look at the numbers, you see we are doubling pretty much every year, but we are moving away from projects to product, and that's the nice thing with a piece of software like we have. It's very easily scalable, and that's the thing we do. And we will have it on different platforms, not only sports and event as today, but on the three different areas where we are active in the future as well. We are already highly profitable, have a 7-digit revenue. So what are we looking for? It's very easy. We want to collect in a Series A 3 million euro because we need this money to internationalize. As I told you, we are doing 90% of our business in Asia, and we need to have a local presence in the relevant markets like Korea, like in Japan, and it's the same in North America. At the moment, I'm doing pretty much the whole sales alone out of Munich. Join us for the future in real time. I'm very happy to talk to you about where this travel goes to. Thank you very much.